So hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna show you how to apply Indian Young Professional Scheme visa, step by step guide and process. And do subscribe my channel, and please apply for the visa whether you will get it or not, because it's just a ballot system. Even if it is your luck, definitely you are going to get it. Even if it is not your luck, just at least give it a try. Might possible you will get a chance, or I don't know who can get the chance, but yes, you should apply this for this visa, because this just a lottery system, just a ballot system. So no one can guarantees you that you are going to be selected or who is going to be selected. It's just upon the luck of the person who can get this visa or not. Make sure at least you should give a try and you should apply. So I'm going to take you on my screen and let's see how to apply for this visa. So ये मैंने अपनी स्क्रीन पे लिख दिया है यंग प्रोफेशनल स्कीम यूके, और ये जो फर्स्ट लिंक आएगा आपका, इस पर क्लिक कर देना आपको। फिर ये नीचे जाना, आपको ओवरव्यू वगैरह सब कुछ देगा। एज 18 to 30 होना चाहिए। एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया ये हो गया, फुल लिस्ट ऑफ एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, रिक्वायरमेंट वगैरह। तो आपको इस पर क्लिक करना है हाउ टू अप्लाई में फर्स्ट लिंक जो होगा इंडियन यंग प्रोफेशनल। फिर नीचे आपको आ जाना है बैलेट सिस्टम पे, ठीक है। ये आपको दिख जाएगा, यहाँ पे आपको ये दिख जाएगा अपॉलॉजीज, क्योंकि काफ़ी सारा वेबसाइट पे ट्रैफिक आ रहा था इनका। उसके बाद फिर यहाँ पे एक आपको ये बटन दिखेगा, एंटर एनी टाइम वाइल द बैलेट इज ओपन। सो अभी भी ये देखो 2 मार्च तक खुला हुआ है। 23 एक सेकंड मैं इसको बैक जाता हूँ। तो ये जो है 8:59 PM इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम ऑन थर्सडे 2 मार्च 2023। बहुत सारे लोग पैनिक कर रहे थे उस टाइम पे कि सबका होगा नहीं होगा, कौन अप्लाई कर पाएंगे नहीं पर। तो यूके गवर्नमेंट ने इसके लिए सॉल्यूशन निकाल दिया था। पहले ये शायद 2 PM या कुछ था, 2 to 3 PM, बट उसको टाइम भी एक्सटेंड कर दिया। लाइक इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, तो ये 9 PM तक हो गया है, और 2 मार्च तो डेट था ही। तो 48 आवर्स के लिए ओपन है। सो डोंट वरी गाइज, लाइक जिसने अप्लाई नहीं किया है, लाइक वेबसाइट क्रैश वगैरह कर रही थी उस टाइम पे, बट अभी जो है इन्होंने काफी स्मूथ प्रोसेस कर दिया है इसको। और जो ईमेल वाला सिस्टम था वो हटा के इन्होंने डायरेक्टली सिस्टम कर दिया है इसको। तो यहाँ पे आके जैसे ही आप उस पर क्लिक करोगे, देखो इसमें आपको क्या क्या चाहिए। यू विल नीड योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ, पासपोर्ट, ईमेल एड्रेस, फोन नंबर। सिर्फ 4 चीजें आपको चाहिए, और कुछ भी डॉक्यूमेंट या कुछ भी अदर चीजें आपको नहीं चाहिए। सिंपल इसमें अगर आपका ऑलरेडी अकाउंट क्रिएटेड है, इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी अकाउंट यू कैन साइन इन, अदरवाइज यू कैन क्रिएट एन अकाउंट। हु आर यू क्रिएटिंग दिस अकाउंट फॉर? सो इफ यू आर क्रिएटिंग फॉर समवन एल्स you can hit on this button, otherwise you can create on like you can hit on for myself one. Once you will hit on that myself one, it will be ask your country or the nationality, then obviously you have to provide it as a India, otherwise like you won't be eligible, because this scheme or this is visa is especially for the India country. So definitely you should enter the India country. So you have to provide your passport number like this. Enter your passport details, passport number you have to enter, and country of issue it should be India. Does your passport have an expiry date? It should be mentioned in your passport, and you should on continue button after filling all the details, and it will ask for your date of birth. Make sure you check your date of birth in your passport mentioned. So I will type my date of birth as mentioned in my passport. So just hit on continue. What is your name? So if you have to check your passport. If it is given name, just the first name, then you have to provide here first name as a given name in the passport. You have to check your passport. If it is not mentioned, your surname is not mentioned in your passport, then you have to write your first name as a last name as well. So it should be, suppose my name is Rajesh and I don't have any surname on my document, so I will write Rajesh and Rajesh. So make sure you do the same in case you don't have any mentioned surname in your passport. So later on, if you have the surname, definitely you have to, like obviously you have to enter your surname. So hit on continue after that. What email address do you want to use? So make sure you use the same email which you are able to access. So because they are going to send you the security code, that's why you have to use that one email, so that you can easily get your security code on that. So I have entered my email address. I will hit on continue. Check your email. So it will send you the OTP on your email address. So make sure check your email address and hit the OTP with whatever you have received in your email address. Once I will check my security code and hit on and continue after entering. And what phone number do you want to use to receive the security code? So you have to enter the country code as well. For given example, +399. So if you are from India, you have to use the +91, or if you are from UK, then you have to use +44. Otherwise, like make sure you use the country code as well. So I'll type my number. So once you type your mobile number, make sure you have to use your country code along with it. Otherwise, you won't get the OTP or the security code on your mobile number. But make sure you use the country code. Otherwise, you won't be able to receive the OTP or the security code. So I have received the OTP. I will hit on continue. So do you want to add a helper to your account? What exactly the helper is? So this could be a friend, family member, or an immigration advisor who is helping you with your online application. You can remove their access to your account at any time. So if you are like making your application with your immigration advisor or someone else is you're making your application, so you can hit on yes, otherwise you can hit on no. So it will tell you to check your answers before you create your account. So make sure if you have by mistake written date of birth you're wrong or anything you're wrong, so you can correct it by hit on change button. Otherwise just hit on create account. So you can see UK visas immigration UKVI account has been created. Now you can just hit on sign in button, and you can directly log in with your given identity document that you have given. So obviously I have given the passport number, so I will click on the passport number and hit on continue. Once I type my passport number, I will hit on continue button. What is your date of birth? So I'll type the same date of birth, the one I have used in my while creating the account. I will hit on continue after typing it. How do you want to receive a security code? So the number you have used or the email ID you have used, they are going to send us security code once again to verify that's your account. You will receive the security code once again. Just after typing the code, just hit on continue. So now you can see your application Indian Young Professional Scheme ballot started 1 March. You can get your unique reference number. Just you have to click on continue application. Submit an expression of interest to Indian Young Professional Scheme ballot. So you can see your download application PDF copy they have created. So first identity and contract, second is the prepare application cannot start yet. First you have to complete this. Then third is the provide evidence, which you have to provide your passport, and lastly submit the application. So I'll click on contact preferences. Which email address we use to contact you? So any email address, if you want to use the other email address, you can use that. Otherwise you just have to simply click on the email you have mentioned or you have given them while creating your account. Just hit on that continue. Which email address we can, so you have selected that one. If you still want to change it, you can change it from here. Otherwise you just have to continue. So submit an expression interest. तो ये आपका आ गया यहाँ पे. First identity and contact you have completed first step, so you have to click on the preparation application. Once you click on that, you can see you have to just click that I am ballot applicant and aged 18 over. I am the ballot applicant aged 18 or over, and hit on continue. So submit an expression of interest. So now your second step is also completed. You just have to provide the evidence, which we have to heading to the third step. You have to give the name like this to your documents, like this, passport April 2022 or like anything like this. So once you will hit on continue, then you have to click here upload evidence. You will hit on that. You can see the selection choose file. So after waiting for some time, it has uploaded my document declaration evidence added. So you can see I can view the documents, otherwise I can delete, and I can upload the another file if this file is not clear or anything. If you think like you have uploaded by mistake or you want to upload another file, then you just click on delete button and you can upload the another file. So you can see now you have to hit on confirm and upload. So you can see evidence uploaded. You just have to hit continue button. Now you can see the three parts of the application has been completed. Now you just have to move for the fourth step, that is a last step, that is a submit and confirmation. So you have to hit on confirm and submit. So now you can see your expression of interest have been submitted. You can see your unique number and everything. Just hit on continue, and you have to read all the details they have mentioned, what kind of the documents. how much fund is required, or everything they have mentioned clearly. Otherwise, like if you forget to read or you have just submitted the application, don't worry about that. You can still go to the young professional scheme ballot page and you can read all the necessary requirement or eligibility criteria from there. So hopefully that I have mentioned everything and most of the thing that I have shown you how to fill this application step by step. So you going to subscribe my channel and like the video. This is all from my side in this video. Thank you and bye bye.